For our last announcement, we're super excited to announce VMware SD-WAN integration in the Virtual WAN Hub. This provides for no-hazard routing, provisioning, and high availability. This integration enables SD-WAN flows that terminate in a VMware edge inside of a hub, and an Azure firewall, and this is a service that combines SD-WAN and security. This means this is a SASE, Secure Access Service Edge solution in Virtual WAN. And by the way, if you want to use an MVA in a spoke VNet, you can do this as well. Now I'm going to pass it off to Tejbir Bath from the VMware team, who will provide a quick demo and some more details on this offering.
My name is Tejbir Bath. I'm a Senior Staff Solutions Architect here at VMware. In this short demo video, we'll showcase a new integration between VMware SD-WAN and Virtual WAN. In this demo, we have deployed two VMware SD-WAN edges in cluster mode inside a virtual hub. These edges can be deployed using a managed application that's available on Azure portal today in preview mode. Using this app, customers can automate the deployment and activation of SD-WAN edges in a vHub. Once these edges are deployed, they build a BGP neighborship with Azure Route Service to exchange routes dynamically. We also have two branch locations, one with LTE and second with the broadband internet connectivity. These branch locations automatically connect to edges in vHub via SD-WAN overlay, thus extending our DMPO capabilities right into the Azure cloud. To demonstrate a connectivity, we have a user behind branch 1 trying to access a web server in Azure VNet that's paired with a vWAN. And to provide that extra security, we have inserted an Azure firewall in the traffic path. Now let's jump into a demo. We are now on the VMware SD-WAN orchestrator. We can see we have a branch 1 with LTE connectivity, branch 2 with the broadband Verizon connectivity, and other two are the VMware SD-WAN edges that are deployed in vHub connected via Azure Cloud. Now let's see, do we have a BGP neighborship with Azure Route Service? If we look here, all of those edges deployed in vHub, they have BGP neighborship up, and we are learning 4 prefixes from the Azure Route Service. Let's go back to the overview and look into the branch 1. So the branch 1, let's see how many paths it has. It's connected to 3 SD-WAN peers, and one of them is the VMware SD-WAN edge in a vHub. If we click on it, we can see the path name that is connected from LTE connection to the Azure cloud, and these are the path statistics. Look at the sources. So this shows there is one user that's sitting behind this branch accessing multiple applications. If we look into the destination of that branch, we can see that it's one of the application is accessing is a web server sitting on 10.6.0.4 on Azure VNet. So let's see if there are any active flows right now from that user to that web server. Let's jump over to the remote diagnostics of branch 1 and list the active flows on that branch 1. We can see that we have 3 flows. One is TCP port 80. And then another one is SSH connection. And to see that if these flows also hit Azure firewall, let's go into Azure portal and see if the Azure firewall sees this traffic. Let's go in here and run that command again and collect all the firewall logs for that Virtual WAN Hub firewall. So we can see that firewall is also seeing the same traffic, and SSH traffic is getting denied because that's the policy on the firewall. And the port 80 traffic is getting allowed, with that's what's configured on the firewall. So this concludes our demo. To find out more about this solution, please reach out to us at sdwan.vmware.com/partner/Microsoft. Thank you.